by just changing that, okay, the process type determination indicators, okay, how we can influence those things. So have you tried those things, or
Actually, I have one issue related to receiving the data.
hello?
Hello, this is Prabhu.
Yeah, Prabhu.
I have an issue related to SIFing the data. I think it is not related to SIF, it is related to the QRFC. When I'm trying to, create an inbound delivery, it says it is created and it is distributed. And but when I go to the EWM server, it says that the business partner for the plant could not be found.
Exactly. So, okay, my question is that, okay, have you shipped your plant data to the EWM?
Yes, I have shipped the plant data, but the only thing that I can find out is that plant has been created as a supply chain unit, but it has not been created as a business partner.
Okay, so what actually, okay, you have to do is that, okay, whenever if you shift those things also, I'll just show you again, okay. Suppose actually, let's say, take the example that, okay, here from 1, okay, so, I'll just, okay, minimize this thing. Okay, I'll just take this thing, sorry, to the down. Okay, so, suppose, okay, once you selected whether it is, okay, particular customer or, okay, the vendor or anything, so if you select a particular customer or a vendor, okay, so have you selected, okay, this particular checkbox also, the create location or business partner, okay, so what is the option actually you selected here, that, okay, you selected the both?
Yes, for the customer and the vendor it is not a problem, but only for the, the shipping point and the plant, it is created as a business partner. It is not getting created.
It should. It should be available actually, okay, or by default, okay. Otherwise, even if it is not available, okay, by default also, what you can do is that, okay, even, okay, you can, one more thing I think, okay, you might have defined a vendor for your plant also in ECC, right?
Yes.
Okay, so that vendor, are you able to distribute it?
Yes, I was able to distribute that.
Okay, so once actually you distributed, okay, that particular vendor, okay, what you can do is that, okay, you can just go to the BP.
No, I went to the BP and I tried to change that in the identification tab, but it says that you cannot delete that. The CRM 004 was that for the
vendor? No, let it be the standard one. Okay, so what we can do is that, okay, suppose
I've also tried adding that also, CRM 011.
Yeah, so what you can just go here is that I'll just show you the thing. You can just go to the change mode. So you just go to the change mode. Just go to identification here. So you just, okay, add that, okay, this thing, okay, you can just put that, okay, the CRM 11 and then, okay, just put that, okay, HYDP and then, okay, put that, okay, the corresponding ERP system here.
I've tried that also, but I think I can see that, your ID type is CRM 011 for the plant.
Yeah.
But for me, it is coming as a vendor, and for the plant, it is not being created at all.
Okay, so that means, okay, no, it has to be available actually. That otherwise, okay, even you can just first of all, okay, when you go to the BP, are you able to assign CRM 11 here or not?
No, I'm able to assign CRM 11. I've tried saving that. I've tried, creating again the inbound delivery.
No. Once you assign the CRM 11, okay, what you have to do is that, okay, you just, okay, need to assign that particular business partner, okay, in the warehouse number also. I just want to make sure that, okay, in the external warehouse management, in the master data. So if you go to the second tab, okay, or second execution node, if you go to the assign warehouse numbers, okay, so you should be able to assign, okay, the corresponding, okay, the party entitled, which is nothing but the plant one. Have you did this setup?
Yes, I did that. I tried all my permutation combinations.
Okay, so can you share your screen? Is it okay now?
It's in the office. I can share the screenshot.
Oh, is it? Okay. Okay, actually, if you can just share the screen, okay, on the fly or the particular system, okay, and we can see that error also.
Okay, just one question. That if
Yeah.
we try to CIF the plant, it should automatically create as the ID type as CRM011.
Yeah, it will create by default as a CRM11.
Okay, okay. So this is the problem. I need to check out why it is not creating the business partner as it.
Yeah, otherwise, okay, if it's not created also, okay, we can just go to the BP and then, okay, we can just go and, okay, create it also.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
But
so
how come it is being created as a supply chain unit but not as a business partner?
No, ideally, if I should create it both, okay, I just want to see that, okay, the SIP master data, whether, okay, one more thing, okay, have you defined the external number range for the business partner?
Yes, it is external.
Okay, so whatever the external number range, okay, suppose, okay, make sure that, okay, that number range is actually, okay, matching in that, okay, the external number range mapping also. So I feel that, okay, that may be the error only, the only possible thing.
Okay, okay. I'll check that.
So, yeah, okay. So let's, okay, today talk about, okay, the strategy.
Srini.
So, yeah.
Suraj here. I also have the same problem when I tried to transfer a vendor and the plant. System has not transferred. Then I created a BP with myself with my own number, and now I can do CRM011 and R3 plant number.
Yeah.
And can I put that and then use accordingly?
Yeah, you can do that thing also. Yes, yes, you absolutely should be fine.
Okay, okay.
Yep.
Then what my assumption is, whatever if it is not transferred, we can create manually and link to the CRM011, whatever means as a plant.
Yeah, exactly. Whether it's, it may be a plant or it may be a customer, it may be a vendor. Even we can create the BP locally, and then, okay, we can map it to the backend also.
Okay, and that may be the reason that my delivery got distributed but not created in the EWM.
But in that case, okay, it should be at least, okay, create the inbound delivery notification.
Without vendor or without anything?
At least, otherwise, okay, the queue should be at least in the error. Queue should be in the error status.
Yes. Yeah, queue is in the error status.
Yeah.
It is in the function model not found, he is saying.
No, that's fine. Okay, even though it's throw the error message, the function model not found. Okay, in the right side of SMQ2, okay, we should be able to see the reason for failure also.
Right side, yes. Status text. It is a function model not found.
Yeah.
And program SAP MV550A is saying.
No. If you go to that, okay, the SMQ2, okay, suppose, okay, in the SCM system, okay, if you go to the inbound queue, okay, you can find that, okay, the queue here, and, okay, somewhere here, okay, the reason text, okay, we should be able to find it here.
In SMQ2 of SCM, I do not have any queue. The queue is in SMQ2 of ERP.
Oh, is it? That means I think you configured your queue as a outbound queue.
Yeah. No, it's an inbound queue only.
Okay, then actually SMQ
because my these materials are going properly.
Okay. So is it possible actually to share your screen actually?
Yes. Can you tell me how to share? Because where is the place?
If you are in the front of the system, okay, what we can do is that quickly, like, it will not take more than 5 minutes, so that even others also may face the same kind of errors.
Yeah.
So what we can do,
I'm able to create both sides, but I don't know how to push the data to here. And because I want to start from inventory, inbound or outbound, I got confused.
No, we'll start from that's what we are doing on the inbound side only as of now.
Okay, because inbound strategy yesterday we saw put away.
Yeah.
If you give some idea like from ERP, what is the documents are created, how it's converted.
Yeah, that's what we are going to do an example now.
Okay.
Yeah, I will put it on the notepad.
Because I did it in both sides, I configured it, but I don't know how to link it.
No, that's what today we are going to do an example. Okay, yeah. So today we are going to do an example. Okay. So maybe Suraj, can you just share your screen?
That's what I'm checking. How to share?
I'll just okay.
Where is the sharing?
Sravanti, can you just make Suraj as one of the presenter? Okay, no, I can just make it. Suraj, right? Okay, I just made you as presenter.
Okay.
Okay, then you can just share your screen.
Yeah. Everyone can see my screen, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
See,
Okay, so-
this is SCM. This is SCM.
Okay.
And this is the ERP. I have this two Q. This is SMQ2. And when I created a delivery, it has gone to the error showing this.
Okay. Now I'll tell you the problem actually here. You tried to send it to the SCM system, but it is pointed back to the ERP only.
Oh yeah, okay. So what made
So,
the mistake?
see, I'll tell you one thing. You want to send it to the ERP to the SCM. Instead of actually going from ERP to the SCM, it is actually coming as a reverse to the ERP only.
Oh, okay.
You got my problem, right?
Yeah, yeah. So I need to change some queue settings.
Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Okay, now, no. You just execute this thing. Okay, I'll tell you one thing. Just execute this queue. Okay, so double click on the queue. Yep, double click. So now, then double click on the queue name. Okay, now you can see that. Okay, wait. EWM user 1. Okay, user is this thing, and the queue name is this thing. Okay, now double click on that queue name. No, on the queue name column. No, not on this user. Okay, double click on the queue name. So it's actually trying to. It was supposed to go to the SCM systems. SMQ2, but actually unfortunately it's pointed to the ERP only. So the communication settings are not proper here. So just go to that. Show me your distribution model first of all. The BD64 / and BD64. No, it's coming.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, so now show me that whatever the distribution model you created it when you generate this thing. When you generate the integration model, I just want to see that integration model for your warehouse.
This is the CIF models, right?
Not the CIF models. Okay. For the EWM, you need to generate that the integration model for your warehouse.
Maybe I have not created this for a.
Okay, just go down. Okay, I'll tell you. Go to the SPRO. Okay, just go to the SPRO. Now IMG.
Yeah. Yes, cross client.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, go to that. Okay, the logistics execution.
Logistics execution.
Yep.
Yes.
Okay, so spare parts planning. Okay, just expand that. Okay, at least otherwise the EWM integration.
Yes.
I think you may be on. Okay, now. Okay, just basic setup for the EWM connectivity.
Okay. This one?
Now, yep, generate the distribution model. First of all, I just want to see.
Yes.
Put your warehouse number. Now put the corresponding the logical system name. Okay. Now distribution model view. just put okay one of this, okay, the any name. Just put one of
But
the
I
name.
don't know.
Okay. No, just put
Name
okay,
means-
yeah, just put test underscore view. Now select both. No, select both. Click the button. Okay, check entries. No, click the button check entries. Okay, click on the button execute. No entries actually. So
Yeah. So I need to
you know-
create here or
yeah, you need to actually first select the button. Okay, create entries. Okay, click the button. Okay, create the entries. Okay, I think something. Okay. Now, yeah, just click on this thing. Now put the distribution model name as okay WMS, because I think somebody is just trying to use it as a half-baked one. So just put WMS. Just execute. Just execute. Okay. Now click on the tick mark.
right?
Yep. Okay. Now, and have you mapped your storage location and party and title, supply chain unit, everything?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now
Yes.
create one small delivery.
Directly or
Yes.
I need to create.
No, I think you may have already.
same Yeah.
You may have already the PO, right? So just okay, directly go ahead and create one delivery.
I hope I need to change same delivery. No, I cannot change the same delivery.
Yeah.
Uh,
No, you can just okay. What you can do is that okay, you can just increase the PO quantity and then okay, you can create one more
Yes.
delivery, right?
right. I'm doing same thing.
Yeah. So usually that's the reason okay, I put a large PO and then okay, I create all those things.
Yeah.
Yeah. So just change the quantity to, yeah, that's fine, yeah.
So I didn't assign this one. Is that okay, or should I do this first and then distribute?
No, first actually, okay. You did not do this thing first actually? For your BP, no, these all okay, that's fine. First I want to see that okay, the queue actually should go out of your system.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that
yeah.
okay, we'll go step by step.
No problem.
Okay, so just okay, 17328. Yep. Okay. Now give some external ID, which is unique. Okay. Yep. Okay. So put some quantity as some 10.
Yeah.
Even actually somebody can see that okay, there is an example that okay, how we are creating a inbound delivery and how it will be distributed also. Now okay, just put the quantity as okay. Yep. Just save it. What happened? It's compiling now.
Every time it is compiling. The third time I'm getting the same compilation.
Is it like okay? Okay, just save it. So
It got distributed.
It got distributed. Now
Yes,
just go to
see.
yeah. Now okay, let's see that okay, the SMQ2 of your ERP, there should be only 2 entries.
Yeah.
The same system only. Yeah, SMQ2. There should not be 3 entries.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, it is 2.
Okay. Now you just go to that EWM system. Now go to SMQ2. There should be one entry here. Okay, that means it got changed here.
No. Yeah.
Okay, so there's nothing here. So go to the SCWM PRDI / SCWM / PRDI. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Yep. I'll do it. Yeah, because you did not assign that okay, the party and title those things properly. Yep. So
Yeah,
Just go to-
that was one another. Okay. Tell me.
no.
Yes.
Yeah. So first, actually, you need to assign that okay, the properly those things. Okay, the party and title other those things. Okay. Otherwise, okay, you can go to the P9. Okay, no, don't worry. Just go to the PRDI transaction. I'll tell you. PRDI. Okay. Now, click on the tick mark.
Continue.
Yep, I'll tell you. Now, go to the leftmost button to the inbound delivery notification. Leftmost button. Yep. No, left button. No, left button. No, leftmost button.
Left,
yeah,
this one?
settings. Yep, exactly.
Okay.
Yep, personal settings. So just select your warehouse number. Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, now just execute. Okay, inbound delivery notification inactive. Yep. No, you just put the, just go to the, not this one. Install in the find. Yep.
Find.
In the find, just drop down that expand button. Oh, just the find drop down is the right. I just want to see the inbound delivery notification inactive one.
No. Go to ref doco number.
Go to left.
No,
Left.
click on the
Little
find
left.
one.
Little
No,
left,
click on the
little left.
the
This one.
find one, ref doc number. Just click on the ref doc number.
Which
Find
one?
right
F-doc
side.
number.
Yeah, click on that one, ref doc number.
Yeah.
Okay, now select that inactive one. Yep. Yes, second one. Yes. Execute.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Okay, so click on that. Okay, the active one. Yep. Execute.
No.
So wait till the queue has gone. Okay. So just look at an SMQ2 here.
No.
Nothing is here. Can you just look in the ERP? In SMQ1 and SMQ2? In the ERP system.
Yeah, this is
Just refresh
ERP.
it here. So ERP it went away. So just look at an SMQ1 here. Just execute. No, just go down. Okay, is that the one that is ending with 131? That is our
Yeah,
delivery.
131 is there.
Okay, so 131.
131, where you can see.
Yeah. So just go to the, click on the find one. Delivery,
Yeah, this
yep,
is
that is the
one.
one. Okay, double click on that one. So it is saying that okay, some application log is there. So now if you look at actually, it is trying to send it to the destination, but okay, it created the application log. So just double click on that application log. What is that log is saying also, the reason for the error.
Cannot see.
Okay, that's fine. Just
Can I
okay,
go to SLG1?
yeah, you can do this. Could not connect or something it is saying. If you look at that thing, the system could not. If you just okay, click on the display. No, on the status message. No, on the status. Just
Yes.
okay, double click on this. I want to see the full reason for the error.
Yeah, but it is not going.
No, click on the display. I'll tell you. Select the spectacle symbol.
Which one? Spectacle.
Spectacles, yeah.
No, it is not going.
Otherwise, okay, we should be able to see the display also. That SLG1
Display
log in either here
Yeah.
and put that log number 244986.
Yeah.
No, just put that, okay, remove that external ID you can just get and put the date properly. It will be the latest log.
These are all mine.
Yeah, the last one. You can see that, okay, that one ending with that, okay, the 131. The first one. No, not these things, okay, the first one. EWM user 1, external ID, object text is, okay. Program, no, first one. You can see that, okay, what is the log number also? No,
No, in this particular screen, top one,
yep,
this one.
929, exactly.
Yeah.
So it's okay, the distributed to the system, okay. I don't understand that, okay, why it is trying to distribute it to the system xi underscore 00800, okay, wait, delivery, okay, distributed to the system, okay, that is fine, okay, function, okay, SCWM inbound delivery save replica, okay, now, can you just go to that SM21?
Srini,
Yeah.
now why is there a idoc thing coming in? It is SAP, right? QRFC.
Sorry?
Why are we seeing idoc information in this message?
No, actually when they create a delivery, one more output type also got generated.
Okay.
Okay, so I just want to see that I think could not connect the system or something it is. So what I just want to see is that, have you scheduled this, okay, the queue schedulers also?
What's that?
The queue schedulers, have you did this thing in SMQR of the SCM system?
I hope no.
No, because the queue also should be, it should be registered, right? Okay, let's do one thing.
Yeah,
Can you just go to the queue?
that was standard.
No, can you just go to the queue? SMQ1
Yes.
of this thing, yeah. Now select that thing, just click on the button execute, yeah. Okay, so what is, okay, can you just go to that application log in the destination system, the 284987, because that log may be, sometimes, okay, the log it will show that, I don't, because, okay, if you click on that thing, okay, it should be able to see that, okay, the long text of the status also, usually. If you double click on the thing.
Yeah,
Or
exactly. If I do step.
Yeah, click on F1 actually.
Glasses.
Yeah, click on that
F1.
application log and press F1, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
No, this is not this
Message
one.
variable.
No, okay, I just want to see that, okay, what is that error also. Application log, okay, could not connect to something. Can you just go to EWM system and just go to the SLG1? Because everything is fine now at least.
Yeah.
SLG1, okay, just execute.
Yeah. Yes, we have the
Just-
here.
Yes, exactly. Now you can see that, okay, at least it is trying to come in here. Now look for that error also
Yes.
here. Okay, so
Okay.
if you look at that error, okay, is that log number is available here? 2849846. Is it the same log number
Yeah.
it is mentioned in the queue
Right.
also? Yes,
Right.
Okay, now
Actually,
what
this
it
is
is
my
saying
own.
is
This
that,
is my delivery.
yeah, so what it is trying to say is that could not even create the header data also. That means even it's tried to create the inbound delivery notification, so it's not even actually could
Yeah.
try to create it also. So no business partner found for the ERP partner.
Yeah. Right.
Okay, that means,
Yes,
okay,
sir.
your vendor itself, LF is a vendor, right?
Right.
Okay, so it could not even find any vendor also, so that is the reason, okay, it could not create these things.
Create the delivery. Right.
Yeah. So
And
first
this
to say-
logical system dispose also.
Exactly. So no logical system maintained for the party entitled to dispose Y900 also. So in your CRM partner, okay, so first of all, it could not find any link for that, okay, the party entitled to dispose, which is assigned to your warehouse. It could not find any
Mhm.
plant relationship also.
Right.
Okay, so these are the errors, okay, which you need to fix it now.
Yeah. Can I
So-
go and fix?
Yeah, you can just go and fix it. So make sure that, okay, your vendor should be available also here. Whatever the vendor you use,
Yeah, that's
the
what-
delivery.
Yeah.
No, yeah. Do you have your vendor?
And that was also means my vendor was not transferring.
Yeah, you have to transfer your vendor also first.
Okay. So the first step
First
I
fix
need to
this
transfer
thing.
vendor.
Yeah, first fix this
Okay.
plant. No, go down. Assign that, okay, the CRM 11.
Srini,
Yeah.
Srini, yeah, pardon me, can you give me some basic steps, like line by line, this is all we have to do in ERP, these are, Because once
I'll
we
tell you.
connected, then we can I can easily
Yes,
pick
yes.
up.
That's-
Now it's I'm
I'll-
struggling to connect.
Okay. Yes, yes. I'll tell you. Okay, that okay.
Can I save now?
Yeah. You can just save it. Make sure that your plant is the right plant. Y900.
Yeah, Y900.
Okay.
And now I need to go to this hierarchy, right?
Which
assign?
hierarchy? Yeah, you had to. You did not even do that thing. Also, supply chain unit hierarchy.
Because this vendor was not created, no. So it was due to which I hope I didn't read it.
No, I think supply chain. Okay, you told that okay, supply chain unit it should create it actually at least 1011. I think so. Just display. At least it should create a supply chain unit to you.
1001 I created like this.
Yeah, so now under this thing, okay, you need to maintain that hierarchy also.
Yeah.
Okay. Now,
Same thing,
meanwhile,
okay.
okay, you just do the thing. Okay. Yep. Okay. So I'll tell you that okay, the basic steps, okay, in a notepad, okay, and as well as okay, the document, okay, I already sent it, okay, okay, the document also. So the short version, okay. I'll just tell you the very basic things, okay. First of all, okay, make sure that okay, yeah. Can you
one
just
document I also forwarded. That was
yeah, that should be also good actually for everybody. I'll just okay enhance those things with the screenshots. Okay, because the EHOID, whatever I did it, what actually I'm planning to do is that because the EHOID is working, so I'm planning to take the screenshots of the working system only.
Right. Actually, in this system, nothing was set up. This was my first. Everything I have did most of the thing. So I was getting all the issues what I had done up over there.
Yeah, even actually if you go to the client, even if you go to the client place, you have to do it the first time.
Yeah, thank you. That's what I got an opportunity.
Yeah. Okay, so now you just maintain the hierarchy also.
Yeah, I hope I need to maintain this also then now.
Yes, assignment.
Master data and
assign warehouse number.
This here.
Okay,
right?
Save it. Yep, save. Now, if you go to the PRDA transaction, if you should not get any error.
Now?
Yeah, if you just try that, okay, /scw, no, /and/.
Oh yeah.
One more slash, you just missed it. Yeah. It should not give any error at least. Okay. Yes, now it's not giving any error actually. Okay. Now, you can do one thing.
Now it is not giving error.
Okay, now what you do is that okay, just go to the CFM1 and transfer your ERP vendor. I want to see that okay, why the vendor is not transferring also.
Yeah.
No, go to the
Just
ERP.
1 minute. Yeah, I'm going to ERP.
Okay, so go to the CFM1. This Kannan, you can even observe that okay, what actually Suraj is trying to see do it also. Kannan? Hello, Kannan?
Okay.
Is it
No?
Yeah, you just okay, observe what Suraj is trying to do it also, so that will help you out.
Okay.
Yeah. In fact, okay, what I will do is that okay, I think some of you already having some doubts.
This is my vendor.
So I'll just repeat okay these things also, how to do the setup again.
So you are creating as a business partner.
No, one more thing. Go down. There is a checkbox also. Just go down to the vendor. Just select that thing also. Create both.
This one?
Yeah, just press F4.
Oh.
Okay, so select that. Okay, the checkbox of create both. Okay, now
1 minute. Actually, I need to add. Okay,
Sorry?
this was my vendor for purchase order.
Yes.
And there is one more vendor actually 9,000.
Okay, 9,000 or is 90,000 you entered?
Yeah, something like that only.
Okay, so that's
Sorry
fine.
for this,
Just
but
execute.
I won't.
Yeah, just execute that. Create that integration model. Okay. So make sure that it shows only the two. No. Okay. So just okay, give some name. Yep. Just execute. Okay. So.
Oh. 1 minute.
Yeah. No, no, it did not select any of those things. It selected only 0 only.
It's 9.
Yeah.
That was a problem.
Yeah. So it's 9,000. Yep.
Yeah, 9,000.
So select that vendors. Yeah. So put those two of it. 9,000, and then I can put that other entry also. No, put the other entry also, other vendor. What you want to do?
Okay, this first we'll transfer this.
Wait. Okay,
only.
have you selected the checkbox? Wait. Have you selected the checkbox?
Yes.
No. Create location. Yeah. Just execute now. Yes, execute.
Just go
Okay.
slow, man.
Now-
We are doing this time.
Yeah. Generate the integration
Sorry?
model.
Just go
Okay,
slow.
Sam.
Easy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Hey Suraj,
Okay.
so from now onwards you have to tell us all the doubts, okay?
Okay. Just okay. Go click on.
Absolutely okay. Give me the chance. I will do it for you.
Okay. Click the start. Yeah. Now transferring model type. Okay, to the vendors. Okay. Processing the load channel.
It's only taken 3 days to settle all this.
Wow.
Anand, literally
Now-
I'm saying give me the chance.
Okay, so it is saying that, okay, what is this text that, okay, partner 9,000, okay, location inbound, okay, just, okay, click on the ignore. What is this thing? It's saying that, okay, the partner does not exist or something.
No, actually, no. It will go to the SCM system and see
Okay.
the queue monitor only.
Okay, just click on the
nothing else.
QRFC monitor here. You can directly see display it even from here.
Yeah. We can directly log into SCM system and see the QRFC
Okay.
monitor now.
Yeah. So you
Yeah.
should be able to find the
Even
queue
error.
here. Yeah. So what is the reason for this thing? I just want to see the thing also. What is the error?
Germany.
Yeah, just translate it, right? Okay. Partner 9,000. What is this error actually? I think
1 minute.
with partner 9,000, is it already existing or something it is saying?
It says it died.
I don't know.
Just type it in Google in the tools, you can use it.
Yeah.
Usually we should be able to get that, okay, the long text also in the status text.
Double click.
Okay.
No, go to the tools in Google and then, okay, we should be able to see that, okay, the error also.
Here.
Yeah,
It
what is
saying
this error?
application Bupa. There is no BAPI.
Now click on the long text, I'll tell you.
It is external number ranges. It is a problem with external number range.
Exactly. So have you defined that, okay, the number range?
No.
Yeah, go to that SPRO. Okay, so, no, what
I
you can do
defined
is
it.
that, but you need to assign that number range as an external number range, right? Okay, I'll tell you
Yeah.
that, okay, the problem also, because, okay, these are the settings which we discussed it. I think most of you forgot it to put those entries. No, you can actually directly go to the change mode. Click on the number
Yeah,
range,
here only
not here. Click on number range. Yeah. No, not here. Okay,
Here
click
only
on
I
number
went
range.
and
Click on the intervals. Okay, so now, okay, now if you look at actually, what is the tower number? 900,
9,000.
right? Okay, so
9,000.
9,000. So 9,000 is actually none of in your number ranges, first of all.
Okay.
You got the problem, right?
Okay.
Either A to Z is allowed, or only either, okay, from 9 followed by these things, okay, to these number ranges only.
Okay.
So what we can
Okay.
do is that, okay, you can just, okay, define, you see, if you want to avoid the problem, okay, you can just, okay,
Change.
put that, okay,
Create according to the number range. Yeah.
no. Yeah, exactly. Now, yeah. But make sure that, okay, that interval, okay, you have to assign it in the, no, you cannot put the
External.
same number, 0, 1 actually. You need to use
Whatever.
another number range, right? Just, okay, use, okay. Yep. Now, assign, you need to assign, yep, just save this thing. Now go to SMQ2 and try to process that thing.
Arey, hello, you started a number range again 10,000. You have to make it 9,000, right? 89999.
Yes, yes.
10 extra.
Just put 1,000. Put 1,000. Last.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Now save it. Yep, you're right. Now go to SMQ2.
Thank you, Abhi.
No problem.
Go to SMQ2. So just go there. Double click on the entry. Now double click on the queue. No, double click on the queue. No, double click on the queue name. Double click on it. Now execute. Yep. No, again the same error. So no, once you define that number range, you need to assign that also, right?
Where? Oh, yes.
Okay, in the business partner. Okay. So what all allowed number ranges for the business partner, you have to assign it in SPRO.
SPRO, okay.
Yeah.
That's I don't know.
No, in SPRO, IMG. Just to click on the find button for the business partner. Find for the business partner. I don't remember the menu path exactly. Usually I just business partner. Okay. Just click on the tick mark.
Just no.
Okay, you find it out now. Okay, what you can do is that just to go to that the business partner types is there, right? Yep.
This one?
Go to the business partner types. There is a So now expand that thing. SAP business partner. Expand the business partner node. Yes. Expand. Now basic settings. Yeah, that's fine. Click on the tick mark. Okay, expand that thing. Now, not this one. Number ranges and grouping. Just go to the number ranges and grouping. I'll tell you. Now define the number ranges. Yeah, exactly. Define the
defined it.
Yeah. Now, what you do is that if you select that the grouping, but make sure that what actually you can do,
AQ.
you can just change that thing to AQ. Yep. Okay. Now go to SMQ2, but make sure that others did not affect because of your change of the number range. Okay.
No, I'll get back and once again keep the same setting.
No, because if you keep it again, the number range, it will keep on affecting you.
Sir, everybody create a vendor in 1,000 to 9,000.
Okay, so that's fine. Okay, so as long as if somebody follows the common thing, or usually what we do is that they can put it like 100 to 1,000 as one person, or starting with 2 we can assign it for somebody, and starting with 3 they can put it like their own BP grouping.
Right, but Srini, this was a good example that everyone has seen, I hope.
Yeah, exactly, because most of the thing you might have faced this kind of errors. So just
Yes,
it got processed.
Yes.
Yeah, now go to the BP transaction. Yeah, now just go to the BP. Okay, so it should have created your BP for the 9,000. So put the number as 9,000. Yep, put in the BP number 9,000.
Yeah, it is there.
Yep, so you can see that now Anju Muller got created here. Right. Now just go to your now go to the particular SMQ1 of the ECC. In ECC, I just want to process the queue. SMQ1 for the delivery, which was pending there.
Srini, I have a question here.
Yeah.
Do you need to assign this 9,000 to the plant? He created why 9,000 as a vendor?
No, because plant 9,000 is not this plant vendor. 9,000 is a normal the vendor from where you want to procure the materials.
Okay.
I'll just tell you the thing also. Now
this one exception.
Okay, so what is that? Okay, can you just look in the SLG1 of the EWM? What is that log? 284991. Okay, so just execute. Okay, just go to that. Okay, the last one. The last one. Yep. Okay, so I just want to see that. Okay, now what is this thing is that, okay, so no business partner found for the ERP partner, okay, the role, okay, LF. Okay, now just, okay, click on that, okay, the long text. Now I'll tell you the problem. Just click on the long text. Okay. So have you did this, okay, the partner mapping? Just, okay, select the thing, okay, the partner mapping. Yep, just go there.
Oh, okay. That C should be mapped as CRM04. That thing?
No,
Okay.
this is fine. Okay, I'll tell you the partner number, okay, the partner role, okay, LF, okay. Yep, select that thing.
I need to new entry I hope LF.
Yeah. Copy test, copy. You can copy, right? But usually, okay, if you maintain that link, okay, it's not mandatory here actually. LF.
What I have to put
Select
here?
the select that, okay, the business system or T90 CLNT 090. Have you defined that, okay, the business system? Yep. Okay.
No.
So
Yes, it is there. It is there.
because LF. Okay. Now partner role. Wait. Partner role. Select it as a vendor.
This one?
Yep. Just put LF. Just leave that thing as
No,
blank.
here
And just select the ID type
Here I
as
can
CRM011. But this is not required actually. Because, okay, just save this. I'll tell you. Okay. Now, just go back. I want to see that, okay, have you defined this thing? Okay, wait. Just in the IMG there only. In the IMG, okay, have you mapped your storage location to this particular party entitled to dispose?
yes, just now we
Just
map.
go to
No?
the partner. No, you go to the partner mapping. I want to see some other things also. Okay, so just go to this thing. Now, what I do? Wait here. Now, just minimize this thing. Go to the interfaces, general settings. Go to the general settings. Above node.
Go to general.
Above node only. Above the delivery processing node. The same thing. Yeah.
Okay, general check.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yes.
That is fine. Okay, now go to the goods movement. No, go to the goods movement.
Yeah, here actually there is one thing. This
Okay,
one?
so
Oh, it is
yeah.
coming. No.
Now I want to see that. Okay, have you maintained, okay, that, okay, the entitled to dispose here Y900 for your warehouse Y900? Have you maintained it here?
Yeah, it is there now.
It is there at the bottom.
Okay, now one more thing. Have you maintained the
It is
supply chain
there.
unit hierarchy also?
I doubt.
No, you need to maintain that, okay, the
Where
supply
is,
chain unit.
It is in the. That's what I'm searching here. Means
In
where
the
it is.
transaction, okay, just go to that, okay, /n /scmb
B
/ SCU hire
SU
SCU SC no SCU SCU HIER something it is hire main something MAIN if I'm correct, hire main, or you can just go to SC93 and then we can find the transaction code.
No,
I
Or you
think
can go to the SPRO and the master data. It is there.
yeah, even it should be available in the normal, okay, the master data
Yes,
also,
go
supply
to the
chain, okay, the hierarchy.
SPRO and it is the master data.
Yeah, otherwise, okay, I sent you the document, okay, that contains the transaction code also. So make sure that, okay, you maintain that, okay, the hierarchy. Because the partner role, okay, it should be taken care automatically, even if it is not maintained the partner role, okay, it will be taken care, okay, from my inbound delivery, inbound data.
The second one, assign warehouse
This
numbers.
No, that is
Second
done,
one.
okay, no. I'm
That
talking
is
about
that
the
is
hierarchy
done.
maintenance.
One minute.
I'll tell you. It is SCMB SU hire mains.
Yeah, this one.
Exactly. SCU hierarchy maintain. Yep. So I just want to see that. Okay, have you maintained your hierarchy or not? Now select that.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
select
okay.
your supply chain unit so that okay.
Yeah.
Nothing
This
is
way I have
maintained.
maintained.
No, you maintained it only for the shipping point, shipping office only, but for the receiving.
Oh, I need to create all, huh?
Yeah, exactly. So change mode. Yep. Yep. Create. Okay. So INV. No INV. No INV. So Y900 RO receiving office. Okay. So goods receipt office.
Yeah. And
Okay.
over.
Now save it.
So these two times I have maintained, right? I have to maintain.
Yep. Yeah. That's enough. Now. Okay. Now go to the SLG1. I want to see that. Okay. The right actual error also. SLG1. So now just okay, go there. Okay, what it is saying is that no business partner found for the ERP partner. Okay, now wait. No business partner found. Okay, for the ERP partner. Click on that. Okay, the long text.
Wait, 1 minute. Just I am confirming that same vendor
Now-
we are selecting. Selecting.
Yeah, exactly. And what is the vendor you
So
used it in
sample
the?
01.
Now, what is the vendor you
Sample
used it
01.
in the? No, then okay. This sample 01 is not available in EWM, right?
Correct.
Yeah.
So you need to shift
Right,
this thing also first. Okay, go to
Yeah.
CFM1. Okay, so select that vendor. Now select that okay sample 01. Now select that, don't forget that okay create business partner also. Select the 2. Click on execute. Okay. No. Make sure that okay, you selected all the entries properly. No, wait. Just select it. Okay, just go back. No, go back. I just want to see that okay, have you selected that entry or no? Go back. No, wait. Go back. Have you selected that entry 2 in the bottom?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
execute
Yes.
now. Yep. Yeah, just execute. Okay, now generate the integration model. Go to CFM2. Now just execute. Okay, so just now the same problem also here. Because of the number range.
Yes. Okay, I'll do it. Oh, I'll do that now.
Okay, so once
do you want to see today or?
No. What we can do is that you can just make me as presenter. Okay, for everybody's convenience. Okay,
Yeah.
I just want to go through that. Okay, all the settings that we have to make it, and what kind of errors. Okay, we may face it also. Okay, I'll just type it in the notepad. Okay, so that okay, nothing should be missed out also.
Any overall steps
Yeah,
also we need. Okay,
Exactly.
high steps,
Yeah.
then
Exactly.
minimum steps we need to follow each area.
Did you
Okay,
send a,
ERP
did you
as
send
well
any
as-
document to anybody?
Yes, actually, okay, the document, okay, the same Suraj document. I'm just okay, updating with the screenshots only.
To whom you sent it?
See, I did.
No, if
I have
you
collected all the things.
exactly, I'm just okay. See, if you look at this document, the same document, I'm just adding the screenshots.
But did you send to us or you didn't?
No, I think it should be available in Sravanti also. I think okay, you can just send me email. I'll just reply to you.
Yeah,
Because
can you please
otherwise it's wrong.
explain on what? Meaning?
Sorry?
Can you directly send to us? Okay.
Yeah, because I don't have all your emails, so that's the problem. Okay, I'll add the distribution list. Okay, you just send me an email. I'll just add it to the distribution list. Okay?
Would you mind of writing right now if you don't mind?
Yep, sure.
Anand, don't worry. I will also update this for today's observation and I'll forward it.
Not only this one, so that.
Okay, Suraj, I'll add the screenshots also. Don't worry.
Because it goes to
Yeah,
7,
okay.
1 week or so, she will remember or she will forget.
Yes, yes.
Srini, I want to highlight here.
Yeah.
Like it's like we don't have WMS implementation experience. Okay, so we want like and very basic also. Okay.
Yeah. So what you can do, Surat, just make me as presenter, okay? I just want to actually go through that, okay, the steps, okay, briefly for everybody's convenience, and then anyway, I'll send the screenshots also, okay?
Okay, that's good.
Srini,
Yeah.
did you see my email? This is the email address, emailspade@yahoo.com.
Can you send me an email, learnewm@gmail.com? I'll do that thing.
Just 1 second. What's your email, you said?
Just send it to learnewm@gmail.com.
Shravanti, can you make Srini as a presenter?
Yeah. Or you can give me a presenter right second back.
How to stop showing? I have to
You
stop
can
showing
just
screen, huh?
No. There is a button, okay. Make another attendee as the
Change
presenter. Yes.
Yeah, just making. Yeah, it's now with you.
Yes.
Thanks, Srini. It was a great experience now.
Okay, that's good to know. Okay, so let's see that, okay, what all the errors you may face in the system, okay, because, okay, these are the errors, okay, which you may face it, okay. So first actually, okay, define that, okay, the logical systems, okay, for both the systems. I'm telling you about, okay, the basic system connectivity setup, okay. So the transaction code, okay, it is, okay, the sale. And then, okay, make sure that, okay, you define that, okay, the RFC destination properly. And, okay, assign logical system to the RFC destination. So these things, okay, you have to do it in both the systems. Okay, now
Here actually in our system,
Yeah.
this was set up properly. We need not to
Okay.
touch this area.
exactly. So once actually if somebody, okay, said, and this is a one-time setup only, irrespective of, okay, whoever warehouse it is, okay. So this is independent of the warehouse. Okay, now
Warehouse.
once in the ERP, okay, okay, assuming that, okay, the company code, okay, already exists, okay. If the company code, okay, is not available, okay, most of the times, okay, it should not be the case, okay, you can define your own company code, okay, and then you can define the fiscal year variant also. And sometimes, okay, you may face the error that, okay, if you do the GR, okay, I'm telling you the problems also. You may see that, okay, the posting period is not opened also.
Yeah.
So these kind of errors, okay, you may face it, okay, if you're not a MM guy or if you're not a FI guy, okay, so you can open or, okay, the close that, okay, the old periods, okay, using the transaction code, okay, MMPV. Okay, I know that, okay, if you are using any of the installed system like, okay, the local guys are, okay, if you are practicing in the demo systems, okay, you may face this error. So close that, okay, the financial periods, okay, using the transaction code, okay, MMPV, and assuming that the company code is available already, so you should define, okay, your plant. Okay, now define your storage locations, and then, okay, define, okay, a warehouse number and assign that warehouse number to the corresponding, okay, the plant and storage location, okay, combination. Now I want to actually, okay, maintain this particular warehouse, okay, as a decentralized, okay, warehouse management system which is managed in the SCM system. So in ERP, okay, you just go to the menu path, okay, integration with, okay, other mysap.com components, okay. So there actually assign your ERP warehouse, okay. So assign your ERP warehouse, okay, to EWM warehouse number, and also, okay, you have to activate, okay, activate your, okay, the service parts planning. But make sure that, okay, you define your QRFC settings also. I'm just giving you the overall idea that, okay, what you may miss it also. Okay, define the QRFC settings and register your queues also. Okay. Now, once you define your particular warehouse, okay, don't forget, okay, to do the generate the distribution model.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is one of the step, okay, which you may be missing it also. Okay, so just, okay, don't forget, okay, to do the generate the distribution model. Otherwise, what will happen is that, okay, even though if you did all this setup, okay, the same thing will happen in the storage case also. The delivery might be, okay, created and then, okay, it will go to the distributed to the EWM, but it will never be distributed also because, okay, it cannot find that, okay, to what target system, okay, it want to distribute it also. So don't forget, okay, this particular step, generate, okay, the distribution model. Now, once these are all done, okay, next thing is that, okay, the CIF part actually comes into the picture. Now, make sure that, okay, your plant and, okay, the vendors, okay, should be distributed to the target system. Okay. Now, whenever if you are distributing it, okay, don't forget, okay, to select the checkbox, okay, to create, okay, the location and as well as, okay, the BP also. Okay. Even though if you forget this thing, okay, what you can do is that, okay, go to the tcode, okay, BP and then, okay, assign the relevant, okay, partner, okay, relevant mapping to ERP. Okay. Now, once you get the,
I have one question here.
Yeah.
My sample 01 was in error, and there is a two-way now. I can change the number ranges, or I can go and create BP as a sample 01.
Exactly. You can go and, okay, create a, yeah. See, usually, okay, we'll never maintain the business partners in SCM system. Okay. What the usually we do is that, okay, you can do one thing also. You can define, okay, the one more number range for the business partner, like, okay, MDB or those things are there, right? Like, okay, AQ or all those things. We can define one more grouping for the number range for the business partner, and we can define whatever we like it also.
Yeah.
See, that's the only thing is, see, I can define it as many number ranges I want it. As actually temporary worker in your case, we just replaced, okay, the 1000 with as a AQ number range, but usually it should not be the case. Okay, I just want to preserve the same number. Otherwise, okay, usually the planning and everything will be related to the same vendor only. So usually we don't want to actually mess up the system with, okay, one number there and one number here. But you can do that thing also. Okay. And
so at this moment, I have the two means I can create a sample 01 directly, and CRM 011 I can assign it.
Not CRM 11. No, not a CRM 11. I think for the vendor it is CRM. No, it should be some CRM 7. Okay, you just, okay, you can in the identification, if you press F4, you can get that, okay, types, okay, CRM 4 or CRM 7 for customer, like those things you will get it actually. Okay, CRM 11 is for the plant. Okay. Okay, so now go to the business partner and then, okay, you should assign that, okay, the relevant mapping to the ERP also. Now, what you need to do is that, okay, next, okay, you did the CIF, okay, for the material master also. Make sure that, okay, your material master, okay, should be available in EWM, and don't forget to create the warehouse view also. Okay, if you don't create that warehouse view in EWM, nothing actually will get executed, and even none of the process also get executed here. Now, and one more thing that you should not forget is that, okay, your movement type also. Okay, whatever the movement type, okay, you are using, okay, in ERP, that should be relevant for that, okay, the WM movement type. Okay. Okay, so these are the common, okay, things, okay, which you have to see in the ERP, EWM.
Hey, Srini.
Yeah.
So what is this movement type in ERP and warehouse movement?
Okay. No. What actually it may do is that, okay, for every movement type, okay, it may decide it whether it is WM relevant or not, right?
Correct.
Okay, that is the only thing.
Oh, you mean inventory management movement type?
Exactly.
Inventory management movement type and WM movement type. Okay.
Exactly. Sorry to say this thing, because when I say that word movement type in ERP means it's for the inventory management.
Oh, inventory management. Okay.
So that's all. Okay. So, and now, otherwise, okay, what it may, you may face the error is that, okay, you may feel that, okay, system treats that, okay, it's not relevant for W. Yeah.
If we have a custom movement type or say Z movement type created, so how to make it a WM relevant?
No. Actually, see, it all actually comes from that. Okay. First of all, it has to be relevant for your warehouse.
And
No,
You got my point, right?
the thing is that
Yeah.
in the production system, we might need to create a custom, movement type just for the. So how to make the thing relevant? For example, we create a copy of a 201 movement type,
Okay.
and then we create a 901.
Okay.
So that 901 should also flow into the WM system, right?
No. Assuming that now, okay, you have a WM system as of now. How do you do those things?
Okay, in the WM system, they are using it in the inventory management only. They're not using it in the WM relevant.
No. Assuming, see, first of all, if it is not at all WM relevant, it will never flow to the EWM.
Okay.
Okay, see, that's what. If you look at actually the combination, okay, first it goes to the ERP plant, storage location, plus plant, it finds, okay, it need to find the corresponding ERP warehouse number. Okay, then only the EWM will come into the picture.
Okay.
Okay, is it clear now? Suppose if your movement type, okay, it's not even actually pointing to the ERP warehouse number, it will never even come to the EWM also.
Okay.
Is it clear now?
So this means that the storage location should be, should anyway be concerned about it. That
Exactly.
it should be relevant to the storage location. Then only it will point to the EWM.
Exactly.
so Srini,
Yeah.
to add here,
Yeah.
all the WM relevant movement types of IM should
Yes.
be 999, right?
No, 999
Because
if I'm
otherwise-
correct.
Otherwise, they will keep on looking for classical WM. So we want to stop all the IM movement types by deciding, okay, all the IM movement types will be mapped as 999, isn't it? Because
No.
that's what happening when I was trying to do a 311. It was looking for a 311 in the WM, but when I mapped the 311 of IM as 999 in WM, it means this particular 311 will not be relevant for WM activities.
Yeah, you are
So
right now.
so I don't know. If we have to do that for all the movement types or not. I just did it for one.
I doubt it actually. It's not that way it should be. But okay, without doing that thing, okay, it should be able to. But I can just check that. Okay, I can just try to see that. Okay, change the tune, change the config. I want to see that. Okay, how it behaves also. But it should not be the case if I'm expecting.
Sure.
Because if that is the case, actually, it's a problem to the customers, right?
Exactly. Entire thing would be has to be changed or maintained like that.
No, I don't think so. Because okay, if I'm,
Okay.
yeah, it should not be the case. But I can just check it and then okay, I can just give the concrete answer because I have not tried that thing.
Sure.
Okay, so this is the one thing. Okay, now once you did defined these are the things. Okay, make sure that once in the EWM system, same thing. You just in interfaces to ERP. Map your the storage location combination to availability group. This is one thing you should do it, and then define that the warehouse number, and then assign that the party and title, and then maintain that the supply chain unit hierarchy. So once you do all these things, if you just create your delivery, it should be able to distribute it. I hope, make sure that the number ranges are already defined in
And
both
assigned.
the systems. Yeah, and make sure that it should be assigned to the particular the warehouse numbers. Then only you should be able to do it also. So Suraj, now if you distribute your sample 01, or what you can do is that just for that A to Z that number range, you can just make that number range the external number range, and then even we can just execute the queue also. So these are the very basic settings that you have to perform it in the ERP and as well as in the SCM systems. So don't forget, okay, this is one of the common thing, okay, people forget it also, generating the distribution model. Okay, so is it clear now?
Yeah.
So I'll just, okay, add the screenshots, okay, for whatever we did for the EHYD warehouse, okay, I'll just add the screenshot so that, okay, you can have it as a reference always.
Sure.
Okay, those are the common things, okay, which you should do it always. And okay, anyway, because in my system, actually in the system which I shown to you, I use some number range of, okay, 1910 or okay, that BP underscore these things, okay, I just define that external number range from A to Z, so it accepts everything in that thing. Okay,
So,
so
when will you send Srini?
yeah, maybe I think, okay, by tomorrow morning, okay, you should have these things with the screenshots. But for the meanwhile, okay, you can use the same document that Suraj is having it.
Yes, Srini, I sent you my email ID. Can you?
Okay, I'll just reply to you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, Sunny, I also sent my email ID.
Yeah, I'll just, okay, make all these things as a distribution list, and then, okay, so next time onward, I don't need to send email to you guys, okay?
Okay, Srini, you have my email ID, right? This is Sundar.
Yeah, I think I should have it. Yeah. It is Sundar, right?
Yeah, Sundar.
Yeah, I have it.
Srini, actually in this we need to add one more thing. First thing, the movement type you said we need 101 and 601 for the initial setup. With that storage types, storage bin for the movement type copy. When we copy the movement type, it will ask for storage type and storage bins.
Yes.
With that, you need to ship shipping request, some other things also. When you copy the movement type, 5 error you will get.
Yes.
Oh, I think what he's saying, Srini, that when we go into EWM and try to receive, it asks for GR zone and the
Yes. No, those things anyway, okay, we have to create it in the master page. No, is it? No, I don't think so. That's what Suraj is trying to say.
No, I'm not saying about EWM. I'm saying in ERP only, we have to create a requirement type of the warehouse, 601 and 101 movement in the warehouse, storage type and the movement type, define shipping type. These 5 things we need to do when you create the movement type in ERP.
Yes. No, that is actually...
one are the standard, they are already there.
Yes.
Yes, sir. But when you copy to the your warehouse, this system will ask the requirement type, storage type, stock type, movement type, and the defined shipment type.
No, that okay. If you are defining for your own warehouse only.
If you try to copy the standard warehouse, then everything will get copied. So.
Yes. Yeah.
No, there is no need to copy a warehouse. She never told you to copy a warehouse. He always said to create a name.
Yeah. See, that's what. Okay. Now, what Suraj is trying to say is that okay, whenever if you are trying to create a new movement types only, because okay.
No, Srini, actually, you are right for the new movement type, but at the initial setup, when we create a warehouse assigned to the storage location, next coming to the warehouse setting, we need to copy 2 movement type 101 and 601 for our basic run. That time when we copy the 101 or 601, storage type requirement, shipping type are required to create that 101 and 601.
If I'm correct, Suraj, actually I did not do this setup.
Me too.
Okay. So I did twice and I did the same thing.
I did not do this thing, but okay, if I'm correct that okay, that movement type okay is not required because 101 it expected as a standard okay the GR for the purchase order and it should be taken care automatically.
Exactly.
Yeah, but I can check on this thing also because I did not do the setup. But if we face that error, okay, we can just definitely see that thing.
Okay.
Okay, because
okay, no problem.
Okay.
Yeah.
Because anyway, that movement type, okay, we'll just use it only for the IM relevant only. But once the data goes to the EWM, we'll no need to bother, okay, till we finish the activities in the EWM, okay?
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No
Okay. Yeah. So just okay. Now let us anyway. I think okay. I'll take okay not more than 10 minutes. Okay. So let us okay talk about okay the strategies. Okay, and then okay I'll just create one of the delivery document. I'll just want to change some of the strategies. Yeah.
My delivery is created.
Oh, is it?
Delivery is created. So, yes.
Okay, that's good to know.
Yes, Srini will continue tomorrow only.
Okay, that's fine. Tomorrow I just want to extend bit some 10 more minutes also, because I think we are just lagging behind.
Today we discussed these things only. We don't want to hurry.
No issues.
Do something else. So
I just want to make sure that everybody, let's target at least by end of this weekend. Everybody should be able to distribute your deliveries to EWM successfully, and then you should be able to create the warehouse task.
Sure. Okay. That's a good idea.
Sure.
Okay, let's make a target, and then I want to clear everybody's doubts also. If you're stuck at any point, I just want to clear those things.
Yeah, by the end of this week we'll try.
Yeah, because unless you create a warehouse task, the rest of the topics you cannot understand, and unless you finish that thing, the rest of the exercises you cannot even practice also.
Yeah, right.
Okay, so can you just do till this thing?
Yeah, sure. Please send me the document. Follow that one quickly.
I'll do that thing.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, that's my responsibility. Okay.
Srini,
Yeah.
I don't know if you have 10 minutes for me.
Yeah,
I
sure.
would like to show you. I would like to show you something on my system.
Sure. Okay, you can just I can just make you as presenter.
Yeah, please.
Srini,
Yeah. Yeah. What is this thing?
We as a presenter.
No, what actually? To whom I can, because there are common names here. Sorry. To which name I need to make a presenter?
ABHI.
Okay, because there is two other sheets. So.
Yeah, because I'm logged in with my company laptop and my personal laptop.
Okay. So now I made you as presenter. Yeah.
Okay, I think you. Okay, can you make Abhishek Tiwari as a presenter? I'm sorry.
No, I cannot make it actually. Let me. Okay, Abhishek Tiwari, right? Yeah, I just made it. Yeah.
Okay, yeah, now I see it.
So.
So,
Hey, Abhi.
can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So this is where I'm getting stuck. Okay, this is inbound, so I should have it.
This is which system?
This is EWM.
Okay.
And I will log
This
in
is your
my-
system.
Yeah, this is my system. What happened here, man? Maybe it's down.
Yeah, Abhi, it is 3P maybe.
No, my EWM is up and running. So see, I mean, this is the error that I'm getting here.
Yeah, enter back. So. Okay, so. No, what you can do is that. No, you just go and try to debug the thing.
I think right now, I mean, they are doing some backup activity or something.
Okay.
Yeah. So, but if I go and look at my inbound delivery, which is this 923092.
Yeah. The system seems to be very slow.
Yeah, looks like very slow.
No, okay.
So I just want to show you what's happening when I'm creating inbound delivery in ECC.
Okay.
So what I do a move. I do a move from location to location.
Yeah.
So that move creates an inbound delivery.
Yeah.
And for that inbound delivery, I have these two documents: inbound delivery notification and inbound
Yeah, that is
delivery.
agreed.
Right? Yeah. So
Yeah. Even the batch is
this
also
batch
correct.
number doesn't come here.
Yes.
Comes as blank. Okay.
Yeah.
But batch master, it does get transferred. So I can see the batch master in EWM.
Mm-hmm.
So what I do, before I create a task, I manually input this batch number.
Yeah.
And then I do the warehouse task, creation, and then confirmation and GR.
Yes.
So I'm just wondering, when everything is, it looks good. I mean, the batch number is there, batch master is there in ECC and in EWM.
Mm-hmm.
Why the GR is getting failed in ECC? Right?
Okay. So now, just go to the ERP queue. Double click on the queue. Okay. Now enter batch. So what is that error message? No, just click on the debug. Last button, select that entry.
Next.
Yeah, it takes a while.
So we can exactly find that which customizing is missing.
Sorry? What did you say?
Because first actually what it will try to do is that whatever be the batch number which we entered in EWM, it's not the batch of the EWM. First it try to come here and then the actual batch has to go back to EWM.
Can you repeat that? I mean, everything was eco.
Yeah, even actually now also it's echoing. So if you debug the
Everybody better. Hey Raja?
now can you just double click on this queue name? I can see that what is the data that is getting transferred also. If you double click on the queue name,
I don't know why is it so slow. I mean,
yeah, it's very damn slow. So if you click on the queue name, even if you click on the queue name, we should be able to see that the what the data it is coming to the ERP also, whether it is actually transferring the batch or not also we can see it here.
Okay, so batch number is not flowing through the inbound delivery.
Yeah, maybe that is also, see if I can look at the data of the queue, I can find it out the 70% of the errors.
Okay.
See if you double click on the queue name, that is error DLV3092.
Yeah, I mean I clicked it, it's still.
So if you double click on the queue name, so there actually it will show that what is the actual data coming from EWM to ERP. There if I can look at my queue structure, you should be able to find the batch field. If the batch field is empty, then we need to see that in the config in the EWM is correct or not.
Okay, so now let me tell you some background. So we did some investigation today.
Okay.
And what happened when we looked at the inbound delivery which is getting created in ECC. So we went to the LIPS table, and in the LIPS table there is something called as UMCHA field.
Yeah.
So what's happening when we create the 311 move, that 311 move creates an inbound delivery, and in that inbound delivery that UMCHA field is blank. So so your inbound delivery, as a result of goods movement, it doesn't get the batch number. When you create the MB1B311, you see the system is allocating the batch number 80, which we just saw. So this batch master gets created when you do MB1B with 311. And since it's a EWM, it is going to EWM location, it creates an inbound delivery. doesn't
Yeah.
post a material document, right?
Yes.
Yes. So that inbound delivery doesn't have this batch number. Okay.
Oh, is it? Okay.
Yes.
So it should have
but
it,
this
otherwise
batch-
okay, it will get.
Yes. So that ECC inbound delivery is without batch, and everything in EWM is without batch number. But batch master, which got created during the MB1B, it's there in EWM and in ECC, which is a good thing.
Yeah.
So that's why, I mean, what I do every time, I mean, I come here and I try to put in the batch number manually.
Okay.
So what happens when you see the ECC delivery after doing the GR here in EWM, you can see that this batch number does get populated in LIPS charge field, which is the batch number field.
Yes.
But GR doesn't happen. So we are just wondering, when batch information is going through from EWM to ECC,
Yeah.
what
So
other batch field does it want to be populated?
now, okay. Now, if I understand it correctly, if you enter the batch manually in EWM, it is coming back to the ERP and then it is getting updated also.
Yes.
That means
And-
okay, the batch replica is. That means okay. Let me complete. That means the batch replica is working properly.
Yes.
Okay. So
It's
the
just
only thing
during
is
the
that, okay,
GR.
maybe yes. During the
Just
GR,
during the
okay,
GR,
it is. Yeah.
It looks for some other batch number or some other population of the field somewhere. So
Exactly. So I
something
just want to
wrong.
see that okay, because okay, from
Okay.
the error actually, what I can see that okay, whatever the batch that you entered it in the document, I think it is not getting transferred to ERP back again when you do the GR.
Okay.
It may be a note missing. So first actually I want to see the data in this queue also. What is the data in the
Okay.
queue?
Look.
Then we can see that okay, like 80% of the error we can fix it right away.
Okay. So looks like, I mean, right now the system is down, so I won't hold you back because it
Okay.
looks very slow. So what
So
I'll
just
do, I'll get.
to get the system, okay, just okay, look at the data inside the queue. Because in the queue, just look for whether you are getting the batch or not.
Okay. So what I'll do, I'll make a little document, Word document. I will capture all the details, all the steps from the delivery creation, from the 311 moves that I'm doing, and
Yes,
I will
exactly.
send you a 10-15 pages long document so that
Okay.
you'll take less time
Yep.
to
Even
resolve
okay,
it.
when we go to the batch master, okay, example, okay, we can try to see that, okay, try to receive different batches, okay, those things also we'll see, okay.
Okay. And we are not using any classification or batch classification during batch creation. We
No,
don't
that's
do
fine. It
nothing.
should work actually. No, it should work even if you use
Okay.
the classification. Also, it should work. There should not be any issue because we actually created okay in the pharma industry. Okay, we received okay the batch management very heavily. So it should work actually.
Okay. Okay. So I will make a document tomorrow for sure, and I'll send you.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks everybody. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Srini?
Yeah.
Srini, tomorrow can you please call me or can I call you
Sure,
tomorrow? At what time?
Yeah, you can call me actually. Okay, anytime after my lunch. Okay.
Lunch, after lunch. Okay,
Yeah.
all right.
you can
Okay.
call me. Yeah.
Thanks,
very
Srini.
much. Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah.